Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and speed test of the HP v152w pen drive, which is 16 GB, and as you can see from the hologram it is original and it comes in blue color. I don't know why, for obvious reasons, and you can get this particular pen drive for a very less price, I would say, from Amazon. And also do check out the link in the description for this, guys. And let me just open and check out how it feels. And basically this is one of the good looking pen drive, to be honest, and it comes with this nice sliding mechanism, guys, which I kind of like it. But the build is very plasticky, and I cannot recommend a plasticky pen drive, especially if you are planning to use this particular pen drive for about something like more than 5 years and all. So in this case it looks like this on upon closing it, and the slider mechanism is also buttery smooth, guys, so you just have to apply a little bit of pressure just to get these things working. But once you get a hang of it, it is very sort of convenient, I would say. And it got this lanyard strap and all, and I don't know how many people of you all are going to connect it to the lanyard. And all, let me know in the comments below if you all are still using that old generation lanyard and all. So also, if you consider the build quality, guys, for the price range, I would say it is fine, because then for this particular price range you don't get to see any pen drive below like 500 rupees. And sometimes if you are lucky and all, for the sale and all, you all might get a pen drive from HP, which is made from not from plastic, I would say. And this is how it looks, guys, and it is going to be robust. And if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future update. And also follow us on social media, guys, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at the rate Creative Soft. We would be delighted. And let me know in the comments below, guys, if you all are thinking of buying any pen drive from HP, because HP is not the most leader, I would say, when it comes to pen drive. People buy from other companies and all, especially the own pen drive from HP. If I show you, it is way better, guys. I have already done the speed test and comparison and unboxing of other HP pen drive. You all can do check this out. And again, this is a pen drive which is available in gold and got a sort of a similar sliding mechanism, a bit kind of a unique mechanism over here, and you can just press this and get to retract this. And if you see the price range, guys, for if you are buying something like 64 GB and all, the price range is negligible. And especially this comes with USB 2, whereas the other pen drives, they are coming with USB 3 or 3.1 or 3.2. so you all can do check out other pen drives from HP. Again, guys, I just got this pen drive from my own money, and I'm just doing it because I like storage medias. And before anyone goes ahead and buy any pen drive, I would like to give them a speed test comparison for this. So I'm just using my old trusty MSI Prestige 14 laptop, which is having a Thunderbolt, etc., and I'm going to use this with a 3.2. I know this is USB 2, but my system got the USB 3.2 connector. So for this particular reason, I'm going to connect it with the USB 3.2 only and do a fair test comparison. And HP claims a read speed maybe around 16 Mbps or 14 to 16, which is written on the box. And let me just connect this to the computer, and I'm using the Crystal Disk Mark 64 GB variant for this. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just trying to rewrite some file using this software, and which is just going to give me a result. But mind you, guys, the real world test comparisons might differ, so this is just a software output, so just take it with a pinch of salt, because the real performance actually depends when you are transferring the files between your computer and the pen drive. So the test result might vary also, guys. And as you can see, I'm just fast forwarding this particular video because it might get very lengthy and all. So the read speed is around 19 Mbps, as you can see, and 19 Mbps is not that impressive, but for a USB 2 it is impressive, guys. And I know most of the people will be commenting me, why are you even suggesting the HP pen drive which comes with a plastic build and comes with USB 2? Yes, you all are correct, but then again, I just want someone who might be getting this accidentally not to buy this particular pen drive, guys, because the read speed is just bad. And let me also just check the write speed. It is taking a very long time. You all can check out the other options from HP and all. And again, if you're a fan of HP, this is the pen drive to get, guys, because it is painstakingly slow, I would say, and I am not even sure how this is going to be fed with the real life comparison. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using. And by the way, most of y'all must be asking me whether this can be used with OTG and can be used on TV and also can be used with in your car and all. So I'd been using this with my television just for playing MP3s and all, but video playback for with the 4K guys, it is not possible. Y'all can use this with like a 1080p video, which is just going to work fine, but definitely you cannot use this pen drive for 4K media. And as you can see, the write speed is just 6 mbps guys, which is extremely slow. And you all can use this particular pen drive just a backup of the backup pen drive, and you all can just use it just to copy paste your Word, Excel, PowerPoint and all. And maybe if you all are just thinking of giving your pen drive to somebody else, and you all don't want to give your better pen drive or a better hard disk, so this is the pen drive to get in that case. So suppose you are taking prints around of documents and all, so and you all want to connect this to your printer and all, this acts like a fantastic media guys. Again, it is just 16 GB. You all can get it in, I think, in 32, I believe, and 64 also. So check out the link in the description to get this particular pen drive on offer. So I'll be linking the Amazon, and y'all can check out Amazon, and y'all can, I think, even get it on Flipkart guys. So these are the only two companies in Goa which are sort of reliable, so get it only from Amazon and Flipkart. And other shopping sites like Chroma, etc. and all, they have already raised their prices on this particular pen drive, so don't recommend getting that particular pen drive, especially this HP pen drive, from those sites. So y'all can, even for sale and all, if y'all are getting it, it is brilliant, I would say. And when it comes to playing music in your car guys, I do not recommend this, because there are other pen drives like the HP v152w, which already I have done the unboxing, speed test and comparison with our pen drives. Y'all can just check that out. That is a fantastic pen drive guys. By the way, that is a very tiny pen drive and can hide inside the MP3 player of your car. So definitely recommend getting that pen drive instead of this. So, and let me know in the comments below again if y'all are thinking of purchasing this for any good reason. The only reason why I feel is if y'all are getting a very good offer, like something like, if y'all are just getting this under 400 rupees or 500 rupees and for sale and all, then y'all can just consider these guys. It's about like 300 or 200 is sufficient. But definitely for this particular price range, you can get other pen drives which are having a better performance, especially even from HP. Again, y'all are, if y'all are just fanboys of HP, y'all can get this. And I personally don't recommend guys. I recommend getting it from something like SanDisk or something like Strontium. So these are way better pen drives. And again, this core is a bit, in my particular opinion. And again, this pen drive is also not having a Type-C connector, which I feel it is not that useful. You can use the OTG to connect it guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it on our channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular HP, the v152w pen drive. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.